Poor Trina. I just don't understand what went wrong.
Don't worry. One time, my brother was in Vegas and he fell out of a 4th-story hotel window and landed on the roof of a shuttle bus.
And he was okay?
No.
Well, but he's okay now?
No. He seriously messed up.
Come on, I gotta get out of here. I'm supposed to meet Kiko after school.
Kiko?
Yeah, this girl I met at B.F. Wang's. She's all exotic and Polynesian. I gotta get out of here.
I love B.F. Wang's. Have you guys tried their Bang Bang noodles? No?
Bye.
Lane says we can't leave.
Lane doesn't know about Kiko.
What's so funny?
Are you laughing at that video of Trina getting hurt?
No. I'm laughing at the comments.
You posted it online?
A little bit.
How's Trina?
Is she all right?
How's the ranch house?
Trina's banged up, but she's gonna be fine. Nothing serious.
Oh, thank God.
Yep, bye.
No. Sit down.
Why?
Yeah, why do we have to be here?
'Cause you all are suspects.
Suspects?
For what happened to Trina?
Mm-hmm.
But that was an accident.
Yep. A terrible, hilarious accident that already has 1,700 views.
Posting videos of people's tragedies is just mean and wrong.
Yeah, no thanks. I really appreciate your input on that.
And what happened to Trina wasn't an accident. This is the gimbal that connected Trina's harness to the steel wires that made her fly.
Hey, listen, I'd love to hang, but I met this girl named Kiko at B.F. Wang's and
Hey! See this? Someone cut a notch here, and that's what made Trina fall. And according to Trina, every one of you was with her at some point just before the show.
Man, whoever did it, you better step up. I want to go play with Kiko.
Oh, come on. Nobody here would do that to Trina.
Except you.
What, me?
Oh, me? Well, I would never hurt my dear sister Trina. Not me, sweet Sally Peaches.
I don't talk like that.
Whatever. I saw what happened.
When?
Before the play, she and Trina were fighting.
We were arguing.
Yeah. And do all your arguments end in I'm gonna kill you?
Oh, don't gasp. I didn't really threaten her.
Sounded like it to me.
Okay, why don't you tell us exactly what you saw and heard?
Sure. Let's see. It was about 20 minutes before the play started, and I walked into the black box because Robbie owed me $10 and I wanted it back. Robbie! And I saw Tori and Trina fighting.
Trina! Trina! What? I gave you the lead in my play. Now give me my stinking Cuddle Me Kathy doll back!
Okay. Just a sec, relax. Here.
Where is her bonnet?
This thing?
What'd you do to it?
I might have blown my nose into it.
Oh, you filthy skunk bag! I am gonna kill you so hard!
Hey, Tori, I brought you some pansies.
Why can't I be pretty like you? That's not even close to how it happened.
It's how I remember it.
Yeah, because you're demented.
Oh, so you think I'm pretty and demented?
I never said you were pretty, and I never punched St.
But you admit you threatened Trina.
No!
Wait, I did kind of hear you tell Trina you were gonna kill her.
So did I. But if you're gonna try to kill me too, then all I heard was pretty music. La, 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 la.
Come on! Hey! Come in!
You know where Nurse Cotter is?
No, why?
I think Tori broke my jaw.
Dun, dun, dun.
La, 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 la.
What is wrong
Give
with
me a
you?
break.
Okay.
And it's...
Sinjin, did Tori punch you in the jaw?
Well, yeah. But it was an accident.
I think Nurse Carter's in the gym with Coach Davis.
I'll go to the gym.
Okay. Do you guys want to hear what really happened between me and Trina before the play started?
Oh my God, it's Kiko! Hey, girl.
Andre!
Shh. Yeah. You just hang now, beat and a beat. All right, then. Can we get through this fast, please?
Tell your story, Tori.
Tori's story. That's so rhymey.
Okay. So it was 20 minutes before the play. I heard Jade come in, yelling for Robbie. Robbie! You want Robbie?
Oh, so I'm a monster now.
Let her tell it how she remembers it.
Thank you. So yes, I was arguing with Trina because she wouldn't give me back my Cuddle Me Kathy doll. Trina, come on, please. What? I gave you the lead role in my play, so could I please have my doll back, please?
All right, just a sec.
Here. Oh, thank you so much. I'm pretty sure she had a bonnet.
Whatever. Take it.
Thank you. Do you know what happened to it?
Yeah, I blew some snot into it.
Oh my God! Stop making me laugh or I'm gonna kill you! Well, thanks for giving me my cuddly Kathy back. I am so happy! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry!
Yeah, I'm gonna go put my alien makeup on. Move! It's not my fault you spilled your coffee, klutz.
Okay, that's like the opposite of what really happened.
That's exactly what happened.
Okay, hold on. There is another person here who had a reason to get back at Trina.
Well, it's not me. All I want to do is go play with Kiko.
Who else had a motive to get back at Trina?
Cat.
Hi.
Cat?
Buddy.
Did you cut Trina's harness gimbal?
No, why would I want to hurt Trina?
Because of what happened between you two right before the play started.
What happened?
Well,
Oh, no. Now we gotta hear another version of the story from a unique point of view.
Okay, it was an unusually windy day here in Los Angeles.
Get to the point.
Okay, Tori had just accidentally whacked Sinjin in the jaw. And right about then, Kat was helping me with my costume and feeling my muscles. When Trina walked by and said,
Hey, Robbie. Why don't you come backstage with me and help me do my makeup or whatever?
You make me happy.
Why don't you just get out of here? Why don't you?
Ladies, come on now. Look, there's one of me, two of you, and 7 swinging days in the week.
He even makes math hot.
Robbie's mine. He loves me.
Ow! You thwacked my head! She thwacked my head! get you for that, Trina Vega. I'll get you good.
What? That's how it happened.
It is not.
Okay, Kat. Tell us what you remember.
So, none of you people want me to have a pretty girlfriend, is that it? I find myself a Kiko, I make myself a Kiko date, and nobody cares. Well, that's cool. Go on, Kat. Tell us what happened. And start from the beginning. Just start with Adam and Eve and go from there.
Just tell us what happened.
With what?
With Trina, before the play started.
Oh, yeah. So Tori and Trina realized that they had been tricked, so they needed to replace their furniture, and so they got jobs packaging sushi. But the sushi was moving way too fast, and so Tori and Trina couldn't keep up, and things got so crazy. Cat! Buddy.
That didn't happen to Tori and Trina.
No?
It happened on a TV show.
Drake and Josh.
Oh, then I don't know what happened with Tori and Trina. Can I have some oatmeal?
No.
Well, that's no. Thanks for pointing that out, Robbie. That's
Lane, you know I think you're awesome, but this whole thing is insane. I mean, okay, we all know that Trina can be really annoying.
Amen.
Yeah.
But honestly, come on, do you think any person in this room would seriously try to hurt her? I know I wouldn't. And I don't think any of you guys would either. Not even Jade.
I might. But I didn't.
And you know, some of the rigging equipment we use is kind of old.
Yeah.
Right.
I think it was just an accident.
A terrible, hilarious accident that now has 26,000 views.
I think Tori's probably right. It looks like it was cut, but maybe it was just old and it broke. And since Trina wasn't seriously hurt, I say we just put this whole incident behind us.
Kiko! Kiko! Kiko!
Why are you here?
Oh, because this puppet had a really bad accident and got hurt, but he doesn't like to be called a puppet.
And, how did this puppet get hurt?
See, well, my friend Tori was trying to make a tornado happen, but she did it wrong. So the puppet flew across the room into a big jet fan.
Ooh, a flying puppet.
Yeah.
That's too bad. Yeah. William, would you please take this young lady to our special room in Section D?
Of course. Come along.
Oh, an adventure! So, what are these for?
They keep you from hurting yourself.
Oh, neat! Bye! Bonk. Bonk. They work! This doesn't hurt at all. Bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonkity bonk, bonk, bonk. I'm a cube-fist man. Bonk, 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 bonk. Hello? My nose itches and I can't scratch it. Hello? Big man who brought me in here? Oh, I know. Come here, nose. Time to get scratched. Oh, here we go.
We better call in a specialist.
Jade,
Correct.
what are you here for?
You.
Wait! Do you have your new scissors with you?
No.
Don't be shy. Those are my old scissors.
Mine!
15 love.
Tori, you messed up my shot!
I don't want to play anymore.
Ugh, you get it. Ooh, you don't look happy.
I'm not.
Yay.
Trina giving you a rough time?
Yes. Do you know she sleep sweats?
Sleep sweats?
Yeah, she made me go into her room last night every 2 hours with a sponge, lift her arms, and then I had to
Hey, answer my phone.
I don't wanna.
You're her assistant, so do what she says.
Thank you, Jade.
Never touch me.
Why can't you answer your own phone?
It's that guy, Lendl. He keeps calling me. Just answer it.
Hello? No, I'm sorry. Trina's
Dead. No. Say I moved to Canada.
she moved to Canada, then died. Yeah. This is her sister, Tori? No, I will not go out with you. What is...
Give me my phone. Hey, I'm dead for 10 seconds and you're already hitting on my sister? No. No, you listen to me, Lendl. It doesn't matter that I hate...
That's my life now.
Hey, Tori, here.
What is that a pair of my underwear?
Yeah, my allergies have been so bad today.
What?
Tissues make my nose red and sore. These are so soft.
You've been blowing your nose in my underwear?
Yeah, they're like a giant soft hanky.
Giant?
Well, if it isn't the Vega girls.
Gross.
You're in a good mood.
Yep, because I finished the song I've been writing.
Oh, is it another song about worms?
Not this time.
Hate this guy.
This song's about a girl.
Ugh, Robbie, I've told you I'm not interested in you.
I didn't mean you.
Listen, you know when some girls say, I just like you as a friend?
Yeah.
I don't even like you that way.
Oh my goodness. Tofu. Well, I have a feeling we're not in the Hollywood Arts bathroom anymore. Oh, no, wait, we are. It's just in color. Well, hello. Well, hello, if you please. Are you a good witch? Or a sandwich? Oh, me? Well, I'm neither a witch nor a snack. You're talking some crazy chiz. Well, you do have the ruby cell phone. Oh, my goodness. Well, this phone is beautiful. Were all my contacts transferred?
Who took my ruby cell phone? Was it you?
I didn't mean to. Here, you can have it back.
Good. Give it. Curses! I'll never be able to get that ruby cell phone as long as it's April Fool's Day.
You know, speaking of that, are we really not going to do anything for April Fool's Day?
Silence! I'll get you, my pretty. And your little fish, too.
Oh, be gone. You have no powers in this restroom.
The witch sneers at Dorothy. Then exits.
Oh, my. Well, she spoke her stage directions. Well, What am I supposed to do now?
Well, you are in a restroom. You could Wazz.
Tofu too?
Tofu too.
Okay, that is one chicken Caesar wrap,
Yum.
one tuna wrap,
Thank you.
and a very pretty veggie burger for very pretty mouth to chew.
Thanks. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Hey! Wait, this is a coupon for lady soap! I can't accept this! You have to pay in cash!
Shut up!
Okay, I'll make it work! Thanks! You know you're supposed to be helping.
Excuse me, but I'm the one who figured out how to use the deep fryer.
Great. What'd you fry?
Breakfast foot.
What? You did not. Oh.
Show me your phones right now. Hey, what's your name?
Pepper?
Do you follow me on the Slap?
No, I
Why not?
just moved here.
Okay, well, whip out your phone and follow me on the Slap.
Okay.
All of you, right now!
So you're scaring people into following you?
I'm gently suggesting that they follow me. Hey! Do you follow me on the Slap? Follow me!
We have to go make our short film.
No, I have to get more Slap followers.
Why?
Because Beck was up all night tweeting hot pics of himself, so he got 200 more followers, and there is no way I'm going to let him have more followers than I have.
Why not?
Because I'm prettier than he is!
Are you?
Follow me!
Oh, where's my ice cream?
I am getting your ice cream!
Ice cream!
It's frozen solid! I can't get the thing in!
Ice cream!
Shut up! All right!
Ice cream!
I'll give you ice cream! Okay, here we go! I'm going to ice cream! All right! Here!
Well, my goodness. You've scampered far from home, haven't you?
Hey, Psychoids!
Hello!
So, what you got there?
Well, I found this little rabbit just wandering about.
Aw, how cute.
Isn't she?
So, why don't you take her home?
Oh, I'm not into rabbits.
But you've been depressed for days because you miss your ex-girlfriend's bunny.
Well, yes, but... Oh, you thought Bunny was a rabbit.
Well, yeah.
No. Bunny's a cat.
A cat?
Yes. The woman I was dating named her cat Bunny after her Aunt Bunny, who's dead.
But you told me it hopped all around.
Yes. She only had 3 legs. Poor kitty.
You loved her cat.
Very much. But I'll get over it. Well, back to the wilderness you go.
Okay, so here's the new plan.
No stress, no.
I've got to catch the bunny. Bunny! You want to watch CSI? Okay.
no mutants. All right, now, it's time for bad news. We're going to do an acting exercise about giving bad news.
Why?
To teach you that acting often involves making choices about how to say things. For example, how do you give someone bad news and make it seem not so bad?
By telling them in a language they don't understand.
No, Cat. Just come up on stage here. Robbie, you two. Up. And now your partner in this little acting exercise. Tanner, come in. Everybody, this is Tanner, a young boy who lives next door to me. Okay. Have a seat. All right, Cat and Robbie. Here's a card with some random bad news for you to give to Tanner.
Got it.
Okay.
Good. Now, improvise a scene where you have to give Tanner that bad news in a way that doesn't upset him.
Ooh, that's good. One sec. A? This kind of news is always hard to tell someone.
Really hope it doesn't break your heart.
But somebody ran.
Yeah, somebody ran.
A woman or a man.
Maybe in a van.
Somebody ran over your go-kart.
And it got crushed!
It's unfixable!
Yes! Now that's how you give bad news. See? The boy is smiling.
Yeah, that was really cool. You guys just made that song up? Right now?
Yeah, for you.
And now, Tanner, this is for you.
My go-kart!
Sorry. At night, your parents' driveway looks a lot like mine. Now, off you go. There you go. Scooch along. There's the door. Drive safely.
Wait! You really ran over the boy's go-kart?
3 times. I thought it was a raccoon. All right, Tori and Jade, you two are going to play husband and wife.
I'll be the wife.
Yeah, no kidding.
Now here's your brand new synthetically redheaded baby.
Wait, before we start, I was just wondering, I have 3 questions.
All right, now, your dialogue should all be friendly and happy, but your subtext is anger. So you must say your happy lines angrily. Action!
Hey! I am so honkin' happy that we got married and then had this cute little baby!
Ditto to that! I tell you, there's nothing on this planet warms my cockles more than looking at this magical pilot baby right there.
Go!
Okay, for our scene, I'm gonna be playing an old lady who's walking home from a bingo game.
And I play a brutal mugger.
Yes, a brutal mugger who mugs me without actually hurting me.
Okay, as always, be careful, and if anything goes wrong, just yell the safe word, which is Butternut.
Okay, guys, ready? And...
Butternut, what?
Tori, what's the problem?
I was testing the safe word. It works. Okay, I'm ready.
And... action.
Oh, I certainly did enjoy the bingo. Although I do miss Bob Hope.
Give me your money. What? I ain't playing. Give me your money and your watch.
Well, wouldn't you rather have this?
Ow! Butternut! She's bleeding!
Cut! Let me see.
You okay?
No, Tori hit me in the face, for real!
No, I didn't.
Tell that to my bloody eye! Ow!
Oh, hey, Tori. Have a seat. You look a little worried.
Yeah, well, it's not fun getting called into the guidance counselor's office.
You're not in trouble. I'm here to help you with your violence issues.
I'm not violent!
I believe you.
Then why is he here? Explain that.
Tori, I know that Jade probably isn't your favorite person.
So?
So in life, just because we may not like someone, that doesn't mean it's okay to beat him with a cane.
I didn't! Oh, relax, Derek. I did not hit Jade with that cane.
Then how do you explain her black eye?
I don't know. I'm just getting water.
Listen, you were under a lot of stress, and you were worried that Jade was gonna hit you, right?
Well, yeah.
So you were afraid. Your adrenaline was pumping, and maybe in the heat of the moment, you swung on Jade with that cane for real. Maybe.
Maybe.
I guess it's possible.
Derek! Now, don't you feel better admitting that you hit Jade?
If I say yes, can I go?
Sure.
Okay, fine then, yes.
Wait, aren't you gonna punish her?
Derek!
Don't hit him!
I wasn't gonna. Can you just tell me my punishment?
2 weeks of detention.
Aw.
And
And?
on Friday night, the middle school's doing a play here in the Black Box Theater. It ends with a big food fight scene.
So?
So you have to clean the theater after the show. You know, scrape the food off the walls.
I'd have said 3 weeks detention.
Derek!
I'll pull it.
I'll pull it.
Hey, how you feeling?
My eye hurts.
Oh yeah, which one?
Cute. I want coffee.
What's the magic word?
Get me some coffee? Please.
Actually, the magic word was lotion, but I'll accept your please because you got a boo-boo eye.
2 sugars.
I know what to do.
Okay, that sounds horrible. I can't hear myself in the monitor. Turn me up a little.
Sure. I would love to turn you up a little.
Just turn my voice up, you mop-headed freak!
Come on!
No.
So you'll do it?
I am not gonna ask Jade out on a date.
Just one little date
No.
next week, but...
No.
Come on, if you take Jade out on a date, it'll show other guys that she can be dated, and then more guys will start asking her out, and then Beck won't feel so bad about going out with Meredith.
How about I ask out Meredith and Beck just buys himself a hamster or something?
But don't you remember last year? You had a crush on Jade. You really liked her.
And when I was 3, I really liked my dinosaur underpants. Things changed.
But Jade can be so much fun. Not now! This is hopeless.
Mm-hmm. The only way to get some guy to ask out Jade on a date is if you pay him.
Pay him? Like, money?
I'm talking about money.
Stitch it! Fix this monitor before I make a necklace out of your ears!
A lot of money.
Oh, here we go, here we go!
Oh, yeah. How much did you pay him to, ask Jade out?
A lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Oh. My name's Gilbert.
So?
Oh, my God.
Stay with it, Gilbert!
I really like your shoes.
I hate these shoes. They're ugly and they hurt my feet.
Well, then why do you wear them?
'Cause I like to punish myself.
Well, I think you look really nice today.
Oh, so yesterday I looked gross?
No. I just meant...
That I usually look disgusting, but today I got lucky?
No, not at all. I just... Oh, forget it. I'm not asking her out. You can keep your money.
Gilbert, don't you run away like a coward!
Coward!
You paid a guy to ask me out?
Okay, it's time to play. That's right. Live from Northridge, it's QUEERies for couples.
We're not really a couple.
Shush. Now, say hello to our query girl, Trina Vega.
Hello, St. John.
You're not supposed to talk.
I'll talk if I want to talk.
Okay, let's take a look at our first query for couple number 1. Andre, Kat has bad breath.
It's just pretend.
Do you A, tell her she has bad breath, B, ignore it because you love her, or C, dump her? Kat, go ahead and use your corded remote to secretly choose what you think Andre's answer should be.
Okay. B!
Kat, you don't say it out loud.
That's okay, this is just rehearsal. Andre, your answer.
I'm gonna go with B.
Yay!
Easy now, don't start something you can't finish.
Okay, our next query is for Tori and Robbie.
I say that.
Well, I should get to say something.
No! Now let's look at our query for Tori and Robbie. Tori, Robbie has a pimple on his back that he can't reach.
That has happened to me.
Not really my boyfriend.
Do you A, take him to the doctor, B, wait for the pimple to explode on its own, or C, pop it for him? Robbie, lock in the answer you think Tori will choose.
What will my girlfriend Tori say? Ah!
So Tori, what are we gonna do about that back zit?
Well, I think that I would choose A, take him to a doctor.
And Robbie predicted you'd say C, pop it for him.
Gross.
My mom does it for me.
Well, maybe that's why she screams in her sleep.
And now for our final couple, Beck and Jade. Your query is...
Hello? Tori? You're taking a phone call now? No, I didn't even press answer. I'm sorry, my phone is very broken. Mom, I can't talk now. Can you hear me?
Hi, Mrs. Vega.
Hello? Tori? Turn it off. I am pressing end call.
I can't hear you.
Mom, just hang up.
I'm at the drugstore. Do you want me to buy you some more ointment?
I have some ointment if you need it.
Please read the next query.
Okay. Beck and Jade, your query is... You're stranded on a boat in the ocean.
I don't go in the ocean.
Just let him finish the question.
I don't like the ocean.
Guys.
We are trying to help our friend with his game show.
You know what happened to me when I was in 3rd grade and I went into the ocean.
The dolphin was just being friendly.
I love dolphins. They eat fish and do tricks, and I saw one in a movie that solves crimes.
Oh, yeah. What was the name of that movie?
Detective Blowhole.
Oh, yeah!
That's right.
I'm trying to ask Beck and Jade a query.
Dolphins creep me out, so I will not go in the ocean.
Just say A, B, or C.
B!
Maybe it was A.
I don't care!
I'm not happy with our relationship.
We'll be right back with more of Queries for Couples.
Starring Trina.
Stop it!
Tori, do you want the ointment or the foam?
Ointment! Wait, they have foam?
Ooh, it's Jade. In here. Jade seems really mean, but don't worry, she is.
Hey!
Hi. Say hello, Cooper. Hello.
It's a sick place. Your mom's boss must be like a bazillionaire.
He is. He owns a really fancy car in part of Texas.
He owns part of Texas?
Yeah, but just like the top part.
Whoa! You know this guitar is a 62 Strattenbacher? Like Elvis used to play?
That is Elvis's.
Shut up.
Look what's written on it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Elvis Presley. Holy chiz.
Don't touch it. Come sit. Yay, we're hanging out together.
Okay. Did you know your mom's boss has an antique human skull in his room?
Please put that back. I'm not supposed to touch anything here.
Touching things is a part of life.
But I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to.
Look! I'm touching Elvis's guitar. See? I'm Elvis Presley and I'm touching my guitar.
That's right, baby. I touched the boss's skull, now I'm touching my special guitar.
See? I touched the guitar and nothing bad happened. That guitar was not properly hung.
Do you think my mom's boss will notice? We're in here.
You called Robbie?
Yeah, so he could help us put up the guitar and fix the window.
Robbie can barely work the zipper on his own pants.
What's up, little pigeons?
Hi.
Why did you invite Beck?
You didn't tell me Jade was gonna be here?
I didn't know.
I thought you had a date tonight.
Why did you think that?
It said so on your slap page.
Why are you stalking my slap page?
Why do you care?
Why is Robbie's zipper down?
Let's just get this stupid guitar fixed and hung back up there before Kat's mom's boss gets back.
We have to fix the window, too.
Ooh, I'll find a window repair company using the new feature on my Pear phone. I need a window repair company in Beverly Hills.
Checking for adult diapers.
No. That was my last search.
Hey, Trina Rena.
Oh, hey. You want a soda?
Sure.
Me too. Give me money.
Okay, now watch as I scare the lip gloss off of Tori and Trina. Forward thrust.
I don't even know why you would choose it. I mean,
And now, laser assault!
I think the rebels won that one.
Hey, thanks a lot for whacking my Astro Craft!
It was attacking us.
And stupid.
Listen. Miss Travis, listen to me.
What?
This is a simple surgery. I've done this operation hundreds of times. You'll be fine.
What if I'm not fine? What if I die on that operating table? I have three. I have three. I have 3 children.
Oh, I'm sorry, kids. Excuse me. I don't mean to interrupt the scene, but Tori, look at the red dot I drew on this index card. Boom!
Psychoids! You scared the out of me.
Why did you stop crying?
What?
You were playing the role of a crying woman who's just been told she's going to have surgery. Why did you break character?
'Cause you interrupted our scene and screamed boo in my face.
Ow. Ow. Ow! I'm so scared.
Try to relax. Everything is going to be all right.
You have to get me to a doctor.
Shh. If that spider bites your eyeball, you could die in minutes.
Oh, man. Please get it off my eye.
I'm going to try. Now, shh. Don't move. And don't make a sound.
Oh, man, the ringing is back!
Cycle it. Hey, cycle it.
Cycle it!
Yes! That was a phone.
Whose?
Mine's.
Tori?
I swear I thought I had it on vibrate.
Class is no place for swearing or vibrating.
Maybe we should start the scene over.
Can we?
No, Kat, it's too late. By now that spider would have bitten your character's eyeball and you'd be dying a spastic, painful death.
Thanks a lot, Tori.
What have I done to deserve this torture?
If you give me half a chance.
Well, can't take any more of that. Click.
It's fun to spray yourself with mace. It's fun to squeeze your mother's face. Don't tell me no, just tell me yes, and then we'll break things made of glass.
Nice. No. Maybe.
Give it up, you can't win. Come
Eh, itchy.
Since you've been gone, it's been so long, it seems like forever. Baby, come on, don't you know we're so good?
Excellent.
I'm flying to lake of Aquarius.
Oh, yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now is freak a freak out.
Shelter my eyes from the sun and wait for the birds to fly by.
Like it.
Backing it to the face.
Not sure I get this one.
You get me out of my seat. It's like I've been in bed for a week. I've been slipping and sliding all over the place, and nobody cares. I'm such a disgrace. You get me out of my mood. That's something only you can do. 'Cause I feel like I'm home when I'm in your arms, and that's why I need you to cheer me up. Come on down to me, and you take my hand. Oh, cheer